Hi everybody! Today I will be making this colorful Easter bunny sign. If you do not celebrate Easter, or if you want to keep the sign up all year round, I will show you how to swap the Easter banner with this cute pom-pom garland. So let's get to it! To make the sign, you will need a bunny stencil, a pencil, a pair of scissors, glue dots or hot glue, white pom-poms, some paint. I am using washable paint because it is more kid-friendly, and 3 foam brushes. Use a rectangular piece of wood or foam and paint it white. On a piece of paper, trace 3 bunnies. Then cut them out. Make sure to tape the paper to the board so it doesn't move when you paint. Now it's time to paint! For the first bunny, I am going to use 4 different shades of blue. Just dab, dab, dab. Have fun with it! Be creative and make it your own. For the second bunny, I am going to use 4 shades of pink and purple. For the last bunny, I'm going to use some warm colors, yellow, orange, and red. Isn't it cool that this decoration piece is going to be one of a kind? I let it dry overnight. Let's see how it turned out. Remove the paper stencil and ta-da! I love all the colors. Glue the pom-poms to the board. Aww, look at these cute bunny tails. For the banner, you'll need colorful felt, a stencil like this, white paper letters, or you can use pre-cut foam letters, a piece of twine, scissors, and glue. Trace the stencil on the felt. And cut them. You should have 11 pieces in total. Glue the letters on the felt. Take the twine to the back of the board. Move the letters around until you're happy with the overall look. And glue them on the twine. Our Easter bunny sign is now complete. Find a pretty spot in the house to display it. If you are using washable paint like me, make sure not to place it outdoor or the rain will ruin it. What do you think, guys? It is so pretty and easy to make. Now if you don't celebrate Easter, or if you want to keep it up all year round, I will show you how to swap the Easter banner with a pom-pom garland. You will need a piece of twine, big pom-poms and small pom-poms. Remove the Easter banner. and tape the new piece of twine to the back of the board. Play along with the pom-poms. When you're happy with the way they look, you can glue them to the twine using hot glue. Put the sign back on the shelf, and voila! A beautiful bunny decoration you can display all year long. We are dear sisters, so the sign is so cute and perfect for us. I hope you enjoyed my video, and don't forget to subscribe for more craft tutorials. See you next time!